Most people assume that if something goes wrong seriously with their pregnancy, a serious risk to their health, their life, or a fatal fetal diagnosis, they can make the decision to terminate in consultation with their doctor. But as women across the country are finding out, exceptions to abortion bans are illusory, and it is dangerous to be pregnant in any state that bans abortion.
I joined this lawsuit and I shared my personal horrific experience publicly, and I shared it in court to seek clarity with the hope that we would get medical guidance from the state to prevent future Texans from experiencing similar heartache. And I feel incredibly let down.
Reading this was a gut punch. I read the ruling. I felt like I'd missed something, and so I immediately reread it. And I realized what was missing in those pages was us. We weren't there. We didn't exist. The ruling refers to the center, but not the 20 plus of us who went through just heartbreaking, tragic circumstances. There was a brief mention of Amanda, and that was it. It didn't even give any insight of how to help. There's just nothing.
We also know that the finger pointing in Texas will continue. The Attorney General, the Governor, the Texas Medical Board, the legislature, and now the courts of this state will all continue to say, not our problem. Look somewhere else. It seems that Texans have nowhere to go but the voting booth. In terms of what comes next, our legal team will review the opinions in depth and do what we can to provide educational materials to physicians and medical professionals around the state about what the opinion means.